Good morning. Today I'm going to brew what I now think is one of the most versatile brew devices is the 3-cup V60 from Hario. Depends if you brew coffee for a lot of people or just 2, this can do both. As per usual, we're going to give the paper a good rinse. I have pre-weighed 30.5 grams. I'm just going to season my grinder. And with this brew method, we're going to go a little bit coarser. I'm going to go 54. So with this brew method, it's a high agitation brew method, and we've gone considerably coarser on the grind. We're brewing 30 grams of coffee, 500 grams of water, and it should be around 4-minute brew. So the first pour is quite a large pour, pouring circular, and it's 30% of the brew weight. So we're going to actually pour up 150 grams of water. And then now we're going to give it a big swirl. The O3 is really good because it gives you the ability to really swirl it up and not pour it over the edge. So we're going to wait just 30 seconds. We're not going to let this sit for too long. Now we're pouring 25%, which is 125. So this is going to take us up to 275. If it goes just over or just under, it's not the end of the world. Again, big swirl. And on these pours, we're going to wait till it's settled down, but you can still see there's liquid in there because we want to keep a high thermal mass. Again, the water is just off boiling. With our coffee and light roasted coffee, you want the water pretty hot. So now this is going to be a 20% pour. So we will go up to 375. Next will be the 15% pour, and will take us up to 450, and this will be our second last pour. We find with this brew, it's actually like a very sweet cup. Less chance of bitterness because there's less fines. On our last pour, we're going to go up to 500. Alright, so it'll be about a 4-minute brew, and if it goes a bit over or a bit under, it's fine. 500 grams of water is quite small for this device, but it still works pretty well with the high agitation. But you can also brew up to like 700 grams, so it's pretty good if you've got a few people over, so it's quite versatile.